morning, Create Versatility.
Good morning, Miss Nahanal.
Okay, before you take your seats, let's have prayer first. Look at me the prayer. Okay, Alman?
Yes, we are ready to pray. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
Before you take your seats, kindly arrange the chairs. Yung arrange and pick up those papers mo na, pinag-iba ng mga papel. If done, please take your seats.
Thank you.
Okay, let's check your attendance. Who is absent today, class? Very good, very good. Very happy versatility. So today is March 5. March 5. What do you think, class, is our topic today? Mistake ba sa atong previous discussion or mag-open ba ka yung topic si ma'am? Mag-open ako yung topic. But before that, let's have this learning outcomes that we want to achieve at the end of this discussion. First, for knowledge, please read.
Say the importance of meiosis in maintaining the correct chromosome number in an increasing genetic variation.
For skills, is to accurately
Determine the haploid chromosome number for an organism and be aware of the preventive healthcare practice against fatal abnormalities.
it is reinstatal abnormalities. Okay, for the attitude is to
Understanding the biological mechanisms underlying genetic diversity.
and lastly for values is to have to
Appreciate the importance of meiosis in ensuring genetic diversity and
may starting point. Wala pa sa balay, okay? So those are the intended learning outcomes na dapat ma-achieve nila ito at the end of our lesson, our discussion. So let's have a quick review, a short recap. Who can still remember what we have discussed last meeting? Yes? Anyone? Okay, please stand up. Yes, thank you. That is all about the cell reproduction. And what are the two main functions or two main types of the cell division? Keeper, mitosis and meiosis. Very good. So, unsa man kay i-produce na cell, unsa man kay key difference between the producers of both the mitosis and meiosis? Alman? Very good. Yan yung ka na exact na. So, ang mitosis class will produce siya og cell na full chromosomes. That is what we call diploid. And ang meiosis is will produce siya og haploid. So, from the word half is half chromosomes ang iya ma-produce na cell. 1 class. Kung sa mga importance nga nung meiosis is half chromosome atong makuha. Why is having the half chromosomes of meiosis important? Kaya para ang offspring or ang zygote is maka-receive of correct number of chromosomes. Kaya yun na, kung sa mga bata, na-defect, na-differensya. So, muna ito makunan na mga persons with special needs. Ako na silang tawag ng persons with special needs. Dili kay, normal, di bawal na di siya klasang, but that is very inappropriate. Dapat, you should consider their condition, you should respect their condition, you should respect them as a person. If gusto mo ka-respect ako, pero kita ng mga normal, ako yun ang i-consider ang mga persons with special needs. Okay, so for our activity, we have this amazing meiosis. So again, ang haploid dun sa ganito. Produces half chromosome. So, dahil na i-identify in class no, kaya from the word haploid. Pwede naman mag-start ng subay. I will call randomly or na gusto mo volunteer. Okay lagi tayo. That is very timad. Nindot yun na mga estudyante ang participate class. Mahiling guys sa rin sa biscuit o makakuan dyan no, makagana sa estudyante. Sigang na matahala na. Please, sigang nalakanin doon. Okay, who would like to answer sa number 1? Okay, the board. Please. Isa okay, ako na lang ikon. Kung sa gali? 78. Very good. So, here's your reward. Please come forward. Okay, thank you. Number 2. 4. Sige, ikaw ka. First time. Tara, very good. Castro, participate. Sige, stand up. Pila lang ka. lang ka ha. Isa ka na yung answer and you'll be recognized. 14? Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, get your reward. Number 9, starfish. Yan yung pangalan ng okay, Roro? Is it correct? Alasa? 16. Get your reward. Yan yung correct na. Ano the last number? If you sing loud, okay, ikaw naka-blue? 34. Very good. So, what did you feel about our activities? Sa'yo na siya? Nalihaw ba ka na? Nakakulat ba? Again? Kung sa galing ba ang haploid? Ha? Optic chromosomes. Or the diploid? Chromosomes. Yung chromosomes sa normal nila. 46 because ano na 46 kayo? 23 that came from our mother and 23 that came from our father. O isa pa ba? Please listen. Take off your hat and please pay attention. Para magsigmuli-muli sa bintana. Laki? Listen? Okay. Please paminaw. Since we are done with our activities na kung kaniyos makalinaw na gusto ko ng uban, number wala ka nire-recognize kay number 10 naman eh. So let us now proceed to our proper discussion. Di ba, Luigi? Naku, kadong? Sila lawas? Okay. Please, maninang ha. So, this morning, topic. This is all about the significance of meiosis. Naka-notes na ba mga ni? Yes, ma'am. Nabas dito din. Matiwas sa kong checking. So, first, idea, kung sa kanila meiosis. Kung sa mga meiosis class, atong previous discussion sa cell reproduction. Please stand up. What's your name? Optional. Okay, very good. Optional. So, meiosis class, inside our bodies, there are this tiny thing called cells. And the cells have more tiny thing na may pagkat sa cell. And that is what we call chromosomes. Then the chromosome class, it carries an information that makes us who we are. So, yun sa pag-produce. So, the meiosis class plays a crucial part in aning process. So, kaya siya class is na-produce siya of special cells called sex cells or gametes. When we say sex cells or gametes, those are when the sperm sa lalaki and ang egg cell sa babae. So, muna siya class. Please read the definition of meiosis.
Meiosis is the division that takes place during the creation of sex cells.
During meiosis,
the chromosome number is decreased by half. This is to ensure that the zygote could receive the exact number of chromosomes during fertilization.
okay, understandable na yun that during meiosis daw, the chromosome receive half. Okay, ang meiosis again, that is haploid of the chromosome. Yung sa kayang purpose. So, paano that this ensures that ang zygote daw process is na ay makulangan, na ay manubra. So that will lead to genetic disorder. So ma-apply na po diri ang atong S phase. Kung sa natin S phase? Synthesis phase or yung process, kung sa man to? Replication of DNA or copying of the DNA. Basta dahil appropriate ang pag-copy, walay genetic defect adto sa bata, adto sa zygote. Because appropriate man, but if not, then it will lead to cases na naay mga genetic defect, naay mga diferensya. Gametogenesis. Read everybody.
Creation of germ cells or gametes. These gametes are used for sexual reproduction. A cell which contains one set of every pair of chromosomes comes from a diploid cell.
So the gametogenesis class, this is the process that makes the sex cells. So, muingat pa diri class, again, ang gametogenesis yung process tayo mag-make sa sex cells or gametes. Mga ginayang keyword. And then, in males class, ang iyang process para make sa sperm cells is spermatogenesis. And whereas ang babae is mag-make of egg cells through the process of oogenesis. Nakuha ninyo ang point class? Ano sa Mr. Google ang pronunciation ng oogo? Pero isdak man lang oogenesis. Okay, nakuha ninyo agad sa lalaki galing ang sa itong process ko sa female oogenesis. Very good. So the role of meiosis in gametogenesis. Please read.
When these eggs and sperm unite during fertilization, a diploid zygote forms. The zygote has one full set of chromosomes.
Okay, ano na sa aral? Okay, so dili class na when the egg cells and sperm cells join together or nag-unite bali. So there is a process called fertilization. And the fertilized egg is what we call zygote. Very good optional. Ang zygote class, it is the cell, first cell of the new baby. Makuha na siya when the sperm cells and the egg cells unite. Nakuha rin niyo ang point class? Again, kung saan ang process? When the sperm cells and egg cells unite, fertilization. And what do you call when the fertilized egg is already formed? Zygote. Very good. Next bullet, please read. Mapangpong, give me siya class mo. Sa kuha. Okay? Second bullet. So when these eggs and sperms unite, mapangin mo, recap lang ha, na fertilization process na mahitabo. Then the fertilized egg is what we call zygote. Ang zygote class, that is the first cell na ma-receive sa baby when the sperm cell and egg cells are already formed. So in humans, both the father and the mother contribute only may genetic information na deliver ito sa bata, 23 came from our mother and 23 that came from our father. So for a total of 46 chromosomes. So that is considered as a normal chromosome class. Next, spermatogenesis. Please read.
This process refers to the production of spermatozoal sperms which occur inside the testes, storing property among
So, when it says spermatogenesis, what's that mean? Male makes sperm cells. Again, the spermatogenesis process. The spermatogenesis process is makes male sperm cells. Makes male sperm cells. Kung saan ang process? Spermatogenesis. So there are reproductive male cells known as, how do you read that? Spermatogonio. So, ang plural niya class is Togonia. So, basta galing singular, sara, spermatogonio. Basta plural, daghan, spermatogonia. For oogenesis,
this process refers to the creation of organisms called ova, which happens inside the ovaries among female organisms. It begins during the developmental stage of fetus inside the mother's womb. When the reproductive cells of females are formed by meiosis, the reproductive female cells known as oogonia or oogonia.
okay. So, ang keyword din sa oogenesis is female makes egg cells. Again, sa male makes sperm cells. Kung sa mga process? Spermatogenesis. Kung sa babae galing? Nang sa galing kayo na cell? Kung sa cell? Egg cells. So, the reproductive female cells known as oogonio. Sa singular, but if plural, oogonia. Nga, ang process na called niya as a whole is oogenesis. Are we clear? So what would happen if the meiosis suddenly stops? Kung saan kayo mahitabo? Kung saan ba? Ayan? Kung saan to? Sure your idea. Ha? Okay, very good. So, ang nakapag na what would happen if the meiosis suddenly stops? So, if no meiosis, if ma-stop ang meiosis, there would be new babies. There would be new generation. Or wala na yung mag-produce na babies through sex. Yes, Guilherme? Wala na yung mag-produce na babies. Basta, if ever mag-stop ang meiosis. So, wala na may mga kanaman. For example, ang yung magsunod ninyo, ibutang ka. If the meiosis stop, wala na yung magsunod ninyo. Once the meiosis stops, wala na yung new generations or future generations in the most living things. Nasabtan na, class? Well, here's the answer. If there is no meiosis, reproduction among sexually producing creatures will never occur. Wala na yung mga babies na mag-produce. Through sex, kaya the meiosis stops naman. Then the production of offspring would stop and eventually no more future generations. And what would happen when something goes wrong during the meiosis? Kung saan kayo may tapos, class? Anyone? I need one volunteer to explain their answer. Yes, Castro? Yan na rin ito. Ay, pansero din si Castro. Pansero na si Castro? Yes! Your classmate chooses you. Sige, di ba tanya yung ito? Please, stand up. Stand up. So, what would happen man when something goes wrong during the meiosis? Ako hindi ko ang galinang class kung sa man ito. Wala akong i-explain ako nga. If dili ka copy o taro, okay, basa mo, kung help siya basa ni mo. Listen. Very good. So, abasa, thank you. Abasa, that's your answer the class. Kaya, no? If naay ka na, dili mag class ang mayusas doesn't work perfectly. Dili siya perfect ang iyang process. There are times na, sa gingon ni abasa, na naay manubra ng chromosome, na ako'y nakulangan ng chromosome. And that will lead to condition like special persons with special needs. To be specific, I have attached here na specific condition. That is the DS or Down syndrome. So, in humans, non-disjunction of the chromosomes in meiosis 1 or 2 have been known as to cause abnormalities or abnormal conditions. So, when we say non-disjunction, this refers to the abnormal chromosomes. So, dili siya normal. Na-consider siya sa mga with special needs. So, atong i-focus si Down syndrome. So, here's the common physical characteristics of the people with Down syndrome. Are you familiar with persons na have Down syndrome? Yes. Okay, so what are its characteristics? Small ears, small mouth, short hands, and short fingers. So, just dali na kayo nato ma-identify ang mga people with Down syndrome based on their physical attributes, based on their physical features, right? No, maktarang yun, no? Sa ilang ang mata, ilang kutis, ilang balibo, ilang kuhan yun. Basta, ilang yung physical features, dali yun nato ma-identify. So, kung saan mo na, once natin ma-encounter na na yung mga DS, gusto na kong buhaton. We should respect. We should also consider their condition. Kung normal lang ka, if nagay times na magkanakuha na siya tantrums, tingalana, masama, taubos ka kay basin, mas mo grabe. And here, naitulo ka kinds of syndrome. First, how do you read that? This is read as Friedel-Schott syndrome. Okay, please read.
It is an genetic condition which is also known as 5B or 5B syndrome and Guillain-Barré syndrome.
So based on the definition, ano kailangan sa Friedel-Schott syndrome? Based on the description, class? Yes, optional? Magsigilang niya. Naman i-specify niya. It sounded like a cat. Huwag for chamber. Kasi may makahapon example na. Ano siya, class? It is a condition in which a baby cries like a cat. Ano sa ba, no? Sige, kasama tayo pasampo doon. Sige mo daw. Ano sila niya? Sample. Kung sa makarong lang ang bata nga, it sounded like a cat. Listen. Okay, tigil mo. Tigil mo. Or, i-participate sa tigil mo. Very good. Tigil mo. Alam, natin kayo pa ng ano, patrayo na kung pa na. So, ano siya, class? Ang kanilang case is nag-missing. Nasa kuwang nga chromosome. O na ha, ang Friedel-Schott, na-missing na number of chromosome. And the baby cries like a cat. So, mga ito ha, example ni ko, ayaw ko kalimti. Mag-quiz na, mga naalam ko ang gibuhat ni Tigil mo. Next, how do you read that? Down syndrome. Read everybody.
This is a condition in which each cell of the body of the affected individual
condition na serious problem, health problem. Kung sa mga ng mga health problem, ma'am, no? Kasi kung sa mga health problem, sa mga stand up. Patay mong gihon mo, stand up is, stand up. Stand up is, what's wrong? Okay, again sa taong game mo, napakto, okay, take your seat. Chika pa ka. Hindi magsikabi while I'm discussing it in front. So, ang Pacto syndrome is nagsubra na chromosome number. Ang mga serious health problem na comprises aning Pacto syndrome include heartburn, or heart defect na yung mga kan sa heart, basta any heart-related na mga defects, muscle pain or muscle, weak muscles, inanana, sa kamay, mga sa brain, and also kanang, ano familiar na naay kanang extra fingers o extra toes, nga, mutungo ba man ang superstitious belief na inanana, swerte daw, mag-swerte sa family. Is it true? So sa unang panahon class, tinuod na sa mga ato mga ancestor. Kay mutuunan sila mga superstitious belief. Unlike us, kamo today is murag dili na gyud. Wala na nag-adapt ninyo ang mga superstitious belief. Diba boys at ba? Si Hyson ba sige muni-muni sa gawa sige na ano sa mo na sila. Please pay attention, mahuman with it ka. Last syndrome we have, this is read as Klinefelter. Klinefelter syndrome. Read.
This condition is a sex chromosome disorder due to the occurrence of analysa X chromosomes in the cell among individuals.
So si Klinefelter, kung saan sa siya, no? Nagsubra ba kami or nagkuha? Nagsubra ni siya o girl chromosome. Again, ang sa lalaki galing ang chromosome, kung sa galing kay kuan, X and Y. While the female, X and X. Ang laki kay X and Y, yung chromosome. While the female is X and XX. So, kani si Klinefelter, nagsubra man siya o girl chromosome. Kung sa mga yan ko ang nadayon, chromosome 1. So, mahihim from XY, may mo siya XXY. Maluha ang X, kaya naman siya additional girl chromosome. And kani siya class is maka-affect ni siya on how a child grow up. So maka-affect ni siya, no? Because kanagin na yung condition ng mga inani boys at the back. Kaya, di kin malikayan that they will receive daghan multiple na mga judgments from the individual na makakita nila, nasikuan, yeah, that is very wrong. Masal ka, di ba? No? Dili na kayo, no? Darab lingkod, tasas. So, the question here is, why is meiosis important? Ano man ka, class? Who would like to volunteer? Nalagin sa first discussion nato, nag-circulate lagi, nagbalik-balik lagi na kong information. This is just to test if nariting ba ang information? Yes, kabasa? Very good. To balance the chromosomes. Any other hand? Ano pa nga, class? Idea? Sakto gitong point nga basa man. Dapat additional? Sige, share your ideas. Paminaw. Tarong lingkod, Carlo. Very good. So, para ma-balance, dili masubra o dili buwangan. So, ang meiosis class play a crucial role in this process. Right? This ensures that the zygote will receive a healthy reproduction, will receive an appropriate, dili normal number or amount of chromosomes. Mauna siya iyahang importance. Last question. How does the non-disjunction during the meiosis lead to genetic disorders like Down syndrome? Sa basa na estudyante class? Kaya, pakyawan niya basa. Kita may imong sharean pakasa. Optional daw. Itudlo ka. Again, ang non-disjunction is, ang sagal ito? Abnormal conditions or na mga abnormalities. Please na optional. Okay, very good. So, di ba, sa'yo na kayo, tricky lang ang question, pero ang answer no nakalagay sa itong i-discuss. So, the non-disjunction is when the chromosomes don't separate correctly during the meiosis. This results in the gametes. Again, ang gametes is the sex cells. So, ang sex cells kay mauto ang male and female. Sperm cells and egg cells for babae. Nya kung sa man ang process kana silang duha ang bilog. Ang mga na. Gametogenesis. So the process po sa sex cells is gametogenesis. Nya basta gali ato recap ha. Basta gali the male makes sperm cells. Unsa na process? Spermatogenesis. Naglibo pa? Naglibo pa? Again ha, balik ha. Kadinga process is produce of sex cells or gametes. What's your answer? Gametogenesis. Ano? Male makes sperm cells. What is the process? Spermatogenesis. And for female? Okay, very good. Perfect, it is a quiz. So, I have another activity. This is our last activity for this morning. Someone is Mami. Sige na lang po activity. Volunteer niyo ako ba sa? Wala mo volunteer, I will call. So, direction, please. Read. Other sections also. Stand up lang po then, you will storya natin yung inyong answer. Okay, who would like to volunteer? Number 1. Kato na sa walang volunteer din kanina class. Okay, Marco. Is it X or not? X, mo ha? The answer is? Check. Kaya nga naman. Kaya dapat kayo i-manage ang stress. Kayo na, mas maunsa nga din i-manage ang stress. Support the iyahang condition. Number 2. Kano siya yung kapag iabasa ang isala? Is it correct or wrong? Yes! Check. Kaya nga naman? Mag-exercise siya din. Dili niya palamihan. Okay, very good. Another number 3. Okay, thank you, Titor. So, dili pasubrahan ang timbang. So, this is correct. This is check. Number 5. Who like to answer? Okay, ikaw. Ganina, finish lang isa. Ay, galing ka. Let's tagin ni ma'am. Sige, number 5. X, kaya nga naman. Correct ba? Isa ka nang rock na ako. Very good. Dapat mo consult kita sa doctor. So that is X. Number 6. Okay, Carlo? Yes. Please read that. X because? Are you sure you're Lia? Ano man X? Ha? Again, take your seat. Thank you, Carlos. So, too much sweets, Kai. Too much sweets is bad in your health. Dapat balance yapon, right? So that is that is X. Number 7, mana? Give chance to the others. Okay, ka din sila. Combine mo sir. X, Y. Gusto mo nila caffeinated. Caffeinated beverage. Coffee. Ito pa man. So that is X. Very good. So ang konti ng avoid. Ang alcoholic drinks. Kung saan na siya class? Inflanon. Number 8. Would like to answer? Wala na ko ilang estudyante class? Give chance to the others. Unlimited na sila class. Hindi sila mag-answer. So, would like to answer? Okay, go. Number 8. Is it next one, Shai? Anong saba naman, class? O isa ka ba? So that is X. Very good. Ano ang X? Kai? Ang saman? Very good. Next, we have bigyan mo. Check because. Okay, very good. And bigyan mo class, na naman ang boys sa gata. Shoes in. Please pay attention. Narang lingkod, Carlo. And did you know that second-hand smoke is more serious na makakause of problem kaysa sa first-hand smoker? Diba, mana? Kita magiging ka mga nigarilyo. Mas kita ko rin nakapikon, kita may nakalanghap. Mas grabe na siya serious problem na mo-affect sa tao. Nakuha ninyo? Mas grabe ang second-hand smoke. Number 10 and the last number. Babor. Okay, nanong check man. So, gitrace yung record no, nasa nag-track siya, right? So, that is check. Thank you, Babor. Since we are done with our third activities, as usual, we have a short evaluation. Have you prepare one worksheet of paper? Letter only. Mind your own work. This is just 1 to 5 only. So, dali lang ang okay? 1 to 5. Letter only. Sa longingan, 1/4 size of paper. 1/4 map, 1/4, okay? Normal lang, pinahapit ang nasa student ko. Mind your own answer. Done? Pas-pas gini na, labi na mahimo na giraffe ang ibang mga classmates. Again, do ito matawag ang sex cell score, ang magkalipa size. Hi, ang number 2 sa naiko na ko sa question. Dalawa, A. Naiko na siya, wala rin ako nag-space. Done? Letter only. Dali na kayo ni. Lagay number 3. So, na po sa tatak. Permission mag-mention ay wala mo table. Please, backward ka gamit ng chair. Gamay lang. Done? Done? Last number. Okay. Finish or not finish? Exchange your papers. Okay, last 1 minute. Okay, ready? 1. Ang sarang nilay mo na exchange. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the last number. Don't forget to put collected by. Number 1, what's your answer? Saan naman na? What's your answer? Ikaw na lang class. Read lang ka everybody can answer. Diameter B. Number 2, read. That is letter C. Number 3. What's your answer? Answer is letter C. Kamusta ang scores? Maganda perfect score. Wow, Baboy, again. Okay, let's record your scores. Listen, Kabasa. Handahaw. Arenza. Auman. 3. Asa mo mostly na wrong class? Ayun, masaktan yun yan ang review. Di ba kayo, sis? So, dito sa ay process na isa siya may uses, kaya focus ang may uses. Isa siya may modification, kaya walang talagwala na. Ang number, asa pang leader wrong? Ang keyword na ito ang failure of homologous chromosomes. So, kung sa ito, non-disjunction na mga abnormalities sa ilang chromosomes. Okay, let's proceed. Bagor. Very good. Bingo. Wanal. 0. Starwico Castro. Castro at Mar. Edril. Cruz. Dayon. Fernandez. Tabao. Tyson. Lucky. Manos. Monsanto. Optional. Asahe. Itor. Sandal. Sanico. Shuski. Rafael. Ruelo. Arinday. Asas. Gabilor. Miguelmo. Very good. Dilan. Isbaton. Very good. Fernandez. Pinto. Lucky. 4. Good. Manto. 2. Anigo. Tinda. Roco. 3. Sirao. Ilaran. Okay, only the board got the perfect score. Then the rest is in passing man. Passing. So, close the quiz. Please solve all sayon. Sayon. Sayon, medyo lisod-lisod. Nga, saan ka lang kani? Read. Now, kamusta man ako? Let's see. Friday. Magtiwas pa kong checking sa inyo, ha? Notebook. Later, ako kong ipadadiri. Ay para yung matunan. So, dapat mo yung one-way preparation para mag-study. Kaya sa uban dali class, tomorrow na ni mag-long place. So, club yung na katulang karon. So, kailangan na ako. Okay? Thank you for your active participation, boys at the back. Nasaan sila ilang kagalingong world? Okay, ha? I hope na hindi nakakulang today and prepare for our long phase next meeting. Any clarification? Questions? None. for our closing prayer. Who can lead the prayer? Alisa Fernandez. Hanap. Pero pagpapagod. Oral. Malanan, maghapon ka. Participative kayo ha? Versatility. Another biscuit. Okay? Sige na. Settle down.
Yes, we are ready to pray. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Okay? Take your seats. Ano ba naman yung barbarong na prayer? Pag-ano ka? On sa man.